In today's video, I am going to teach you how to set up automation email campaign in Brevo. This is a great way to automatically send a welcome email to new contacts as soon as they join your list, without needing to manually send messages each time. Before you begin, make sure you already have at least one list created in Brevo and an email template ready to use. Having those prepared will make the setup fast and smooth. Start by logging into your Brevo account and going to the Automations area. Inside Automations, choose Workflow. This is where you will build and manage automated sequences, including welcome emails. On the Workflow page, click Create an Automation. Brevo will then show you different automation types you can use. For this setup, select Welcome Message, since it is designed specifically for sending an email when someone is added to a list. After selecting Welcome Message, click Create Automation to begin configuring it. Next, choose the list you want this welcome automation to apply to. This step is important because it tells Brevo exactly which contacts should trigger the workflow. Select the list that new subscribers will join and confirm it carefully to avoid sending the wrong message to the wrong audience. After that, set your time delay. The time delay controls how soon the welcome email goes out after someone joins the list. If you want the email to arrive immediately, you can choose a very short delay. If you prefer to wait a bit, such as to avoid sending in the middle of the night or to space out communication, set a longer delay. Pick a delay that fits your audience and your goals, and keep it consistent with the expectations you set when people sign up. Now select your email template and then click Next. Choose a template that clearly welcomes the subscriber and confirms what they signed up for. A good welcome email is usually simple, friendly, and focused. Make sure the template is complete and uses the correct branding, links, and sender details before moving on. Finally, click Activate the Automation. This turns your workflow on, so it can start sending welcome emails automatically for new contacts added to the selected list. Once it is active, keep an eye on performance and results inside Brevo so you can fine-tune your message over time if needed. That covers everything you need to know, and that is all there is to it.